I walked into Switzerland, I was in my late 30s. The average age of my team there was, frankly, 50 to 60. And I remember the first day I walked in, and I was like, is this going to work? The lone American coming to a Swiss parenting corporation, what am I going to teach them? But, and it's, I guess it's sort of a metaphor. If you try and endeavor and lead by example and teach and nurture, that's how it works. But in the Swiss context, I found, because I've lived in countries, that the Swiss are very receptive to where the talent resides. They will be very, very open to self-nurturement and self-enrichment wherever it lies, not only in the domicile of the country. And I found, just from a reward standpoint, in Switzerland, finding senior reward people was a real struggle. So I spent predominantly most of my time teaching, mentoring, nurturing, coaching. And we know we can do that in all our jobs, but in the Swiss context, particularly the HR vantage point I found is not as advanced, to be very frank. So I had to spend, probably more so than some others, professionally certifying. I'm genuinely go to global reward work and learning how to do HR. That was really interesting.